Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to call this a quick recipe, and we're going to be making delicious homemade strawberry compote. It's going to go great. You want it on toast, you want it in oatmeal, you want it on waffles, you want it on pancakes, you want it on cake. It can really go with anything. It's going to be so good, and there are going to be so many recipes coming up that you can actually use this homemade strawberry compote with to really make the recipe just pop. Like always, all the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new weekly recipes and know when recipes with the strawberry compote are going to be posted, because you guys are going to love it. So moving over to the stove, we're going to take a medium saucepan and go ahead and add in 1 pound of sliced strawberries, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to go ahead and cook, stirring occasionally, our nice little strawberry mixture until it's reduced about half. For me, I find this takes about 20-25 minutes. And as it starts to cook, you'll start to see a boil happening. We don't want like a vigorous, aggressive boil. We want kind of just a nice boil, like a, I don't know, not like a witchy boil, but kind of like a bloop 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 boil, I guess. Well, I think that will take care of our yummy strawberry compote. Like I said, super quick, super easy. Now all we have to do is just let this cool completely to room temperature. And then we can use it again for waffles, pancakes, toast, oatmeal, cheesecake, cupcakes, muffins, breads, loaves, pies. There's so many different options which really do so much better with strawberry compote. And in a nutshell, you can use strawberry jam if you have it. I mean, it's a lot easier to get, but trust me, the strawberry compote will just make your recipes so much more better. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and make sure you ring that bell, because the strawberry compote is actually going to be popping back up later this week. We're going to be making mini strawberry cakes. They're going to be perfect for Easter or Mother's Day. They're just or just having it by yourself while you're like binge watching Netflix, and maybe just eat all 3 like I've done before. Don't judge me. Until next week, bye.